It's like the heaven and the earth co-joined against me, and everything I have is lost in a twinkle of an eye. Oh, I mean, it's like he turned his face away from me, and it got me wondering, is there God up there? Is he in existence? Oh, why? My day was turned into darkness.
I do not need your pity.
Trust me, you do. I know that feeling.
You do not want to be associated with me. I am no good. I am a bad person.
You're not a bad person. You're just harboring in lots of guilt.
I do not need your pity. I am sorry for the way I spoke to you and running off like that.
You don't have to apologize for grieving someone you love. I am also grieving, even though it's almost a year now.
I am sorry about your loss.
It's okay. It's a hard loss. And it's even harder to move on.
I understand. Imagine losing a kid sister. She was everything to I and my brother. She meant the whole world to us. She was our baby.
I lost my husband and son at once.
Are you for real?
I know pain. I have been in pain. And I am still in pain. I don't know if I can conquer it. Thanks for bringing me home.
You're welcome. I must say I am sorry we started off on a wrong foot. Mind we start off again?
Sure. Do you want to come in?
Yeah.
Wow. This is the first time I'm seeing you smile. I should invite you more often.
It's all good. I mean,
It's alright.
yeah. Okay. All right. Ah, beautiful house you have here.
Thank you. I try.
So, what's your story?
I don't think I'm ready to talk about it.
I understand. I totally understand. But I think you should, step out of this house often. How about a date with me?
A date?
Yes.
It's been a long time I went on a date.
Come. We could help each other heal.
I'm not ready to forget.
You will never forget. Some hurt we carry for a lifetime. Especially when it has to do with someone dear to our heart. But you know, we must find a way to manage this situation. Come. We could help each other heal. Go on a date with me.
Okay. Okay.
We could.
What happened to your key? Hey. Are you okay?
Please, can I use your restroom?
Yeah, sure. Just over there. Yes.
Excuse me.
Your excuse.
What is it doing here? Okay.
I met him at the supermarket. So he offered to drop me home and I asked him to come in.
Aww, so sweet. You know what? I am super happy for you. I mean, you're meeting new people and you're making friends. Oh. Okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. I am fine. Hi.
Hi.
I have to go now.
Oh, okay. I'll walk you out.
Do not worry, okay? I'm fine. Okay.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye. Wow. This is interesting, honestly.
Dora.
What?
We both experienced loss. So it's possible we are bonding because of our experiences. So can you cut me a slack?
At least there is a bond there, you know.
You know what? I'll be in my room.
I see you. I see you.
Let me call you back, please.
Come here. Come here, are you okay? Come, are you okay?
The hospital. They refused to give me my prescription.
Oh yes. Because they know you are addicted to it.
I'm not addicted. I just needed to function.
Come here, I know how you reacted the last time I threw those pills away. You need to put yourself together. Don't let this addiction ruin you.
My life is ruined.
You must be blind not to see it! My life is ruined!
Kami, you need to put yourself together! Come! 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 Where did you find her?
I saw her buying some pills from a strange guy.
Yeah, I knew she went to get her antidepressant pills. But I didn't just know where to find her.
She just popped some and then passed out.
You were watching?
Yes, I was around the area. When I saw her, my interest was piqued.
Are you stalking her by any chance? Are you lying to me? Because if you do anything to hurt her, you will have me to contend with.
Hey, do not tell me that. I just brought back a friend. She could have been hot out there. Alright? You should be thanking me.
Yeah, that's true. Look, I'm sorry, okay? It's just that, I mean, there are a lot of unanswered questions here.
Hakaki. She parked along Ojibwe Road. You can go get the car.
Kami, why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you doing this to me? Why? He brought you home. I was shocked to see him.
I feel so embarrassed.
Maybe you wouldn't have felt so embarrassed if you weren't buying pills on the roadside.
You're adding salt, Adura.
I am adding salt. Anything could have happened to you. How are you even sure of the pills you're buying? It could have been met. You could have died. Kami, when is this ever gonna stop?
What was he doing there in the first place?
No. The question should be, what was a responsible woman like you doing on the roadside? Buying drugs from a common peddler?
I'm sorry.
Please. At this point, you need to stop saying sorry and act right. You need to do better. What is wrong with you? Why are you so self-centered, so inconsiderate? Why? Coming. Hey, Tyler. Come! Come! Come, Tyler is here to see you.
Adura. I understand. I got her this. Chocolate and a perfume to remind her of life's splendor.
Oh. Thank you. You're so kind.
My best regards to her.
Yeah, sure. Sure, yeah.
Right.
Thank you. What was that about?
Adura. I couldn't face him. I felt so embarrassed.
Well, you can't undo what has already happened.
I wish I could, honestly. I wish I could.
It's okay. You don't need to beat yourself up over it. Well, he actually got you this.
Wow. Chocolate. No,
Yeah.
that's for me.
He mentioned my name. He said I can.
Adura. Oh, there's a note. He still wants to go on a date with me.
You should go.
I feel so embarrassed to get close to him.
Okay, so does that mean you won't be going for your classes again?
Of course not. I'm beginning to enjoy those classes.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Look at this. Isn't this cute?
Hey, calm.
What?
Come on.
Look, I'm in a hurry. I need to leave.
Calm, you have been avoiding me. I mean, can we just... Can we take it easy? Listen, you do not need to keep your pain and struggles away from me. I have been there. Okay? I see you. Listen, will deal with our pain differently. Some wish to sleep their pain away or drink it away. I have tried both, but it didn't work out for me. I'm still trying, working on myself to get rid of that pain, those bad memories that are weighing me down. Listen, Cam, you don't need to be ashamed of how you go about dealing with your pain. You don't need to let it change you into who you are not. Fight it. Conquer it. You're strong. I know you can do it.
I don't know if I can. I really don't know if I can.
Listen, I can help you, okay? Even if it's the last thing I will do. Alright? Listen, Frank. If I help you, I know you will pull me up when I'm drowning too. Let's work together. Let's make it happen. Believe me, we can get over it and be happy again. Now let me take you home. Okay? Please.
Okay.
I like that smile on your face. Come on.
I have a date.
Oh my goodness! You have a date!
Adura.
Tell me more. Tell me everything.
Adura. I'm a bit conflicted. Yes, I mean, I feel like it's too early. I will forget them. I feel like I am doing something wrong. Something bad.
Hey. Come here. It's okay. You need to calm down. Okay? You are not doing anything wrong. You're not even close to moving on. And trust me, they will be so thrilled to see you out of the bed and about.
You can't know that.
Of course I do. I know. I know because I wouldn't want my spouse's life to end simply because I'm not in it. So, cheer up. You have a date with an handsome man. Huge, tall, Melanie topping. You know what? I'm gonna dress you up. Relax. I'm gonna dress you up. I need you to relax.
Wow. You look so stunning.
Thank you. So, are we going or not?
Oh, yes. Well, I was stunned by your beauty.
Thank you. Are those for me?
Yes. Yes, I forget. This is for you. I got it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me keep this inside.
All right.
All right.
God.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Honestly, I had a wonderful day with you. Yes.
Me too. I haven't laughed that much in a while.
Neither have I. Yeah, it was a wonderful day.
I agree.
Yes.
Thanks for today. I had a good time.
Same here. You're so beautiful, Cam. Look at you.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I can't. Good night.
Hey!
Adura, what is wrong with you? You scared me.
I know. So, tell me, I saw you guys getting all cozy. Oh, I just wish to fall in love right now.
You were watching us.
Not like I wanted to, but you know, a homie gotta be a homie. Yes, I was watching. So tell me, how
You're
did it
creepy.
go?
You are creepy.
I know, fine. Tell me, how did it go? Tell me everything.
It was fine. It was good. Why do I feel like I'm doing something wrong? Why do I feel like it's too early to be this way with someone else?
Hey. You deserve to be happy. Okay? You are not doing anything wrong.
Then why do I feel this way?
Because you are a good woman. And you are still loyal to your husband even though he is here no more. God bless his soul. And this right here is the reason you feel this way.
You know, I never believed my heart would beat for someone else. I never thought I would feel this way.
It's okay to feel this way. You need to allow yourself. Enjoy the moment.
I don't think I deserve to enjoy this moment.
Says who? You deserve everything good. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to smile again. You deserve to feel love and be loved. You deserve it all. Okay? Free yourself and enjoy the moment. Okay. So, yes. So tell me, how was the date? Oh my god! I can't wait for this gist. You need to tell me everything. Download it all.
Don't have to be like this forever. You know the past is gone forever. So pick up the pieces of your life and move on. Yes, it's hard, it's not easy to lose someone so dear to you. You have to give life a chance. You don't need to mourn forever. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah. It's time to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on. You don't have to be like this forever. Yeah. You have to move on, move on. It's time to move on, move on. You don't have to keep on crying every day. Hey, you gotta let go, let go. The past is gone, and you got to give someone a chance to come into your life and make you happy again. Don't have to be like this forever. You know the past is gone forever. So pick up the pieces of your life and move on. Yes, it's hard, it's not easy.
The drugs. The drugs. Where are my drugs? Where are my pills?
Adura, tell me what is going on.
I can't find my drugs. I don't know where they are. I can't find them.
You need to calm down.
Don't tell me that. You took them, right? I know you took them. Look at you. Your life is so lonely and miserable. You do nothing other than meddle in my life. Why can't you just leave me alone? Leave me alone!
Listen, calm. You need to calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down! I said down.
Calm.
Leave me alone! Give me my pills! Adura! Open this door! Open this door, you bitch! I hate you! Let me have my pills! Why can't you just leave me alone? Leave me alone! Open this door! Open the door! Adura! Adura! Just give me my pills, please. Even if you've thrown them away, just tell me where you threw them to, please. I need my pills! Adura! 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 Open the door. Just the pill. What? You called him? You called him? Why? I thought you were my friend. Why did you call? Let me go. Let me go. You're not my father. You're not my husband. Let me go.
What would he think? What would your father or your husband think? Relax and put yourself together here.
Tyler, I think she's sleeping. Please help me bring her to the bed.
It's okay. Alright? She'll be fine. Okay?
Here is your coffee. Thank you. You're welcome. How are you feeling now?
Better. Adora, I'm sorry. I know I said some mean things to you last night. I know I hurt you. I shouldn't have said those things to you. Not you. You've always been there for me. You've been there for me through thick and thin. It was quite selfish of me to expect you to take all my bullshit. I'm sorry. Look, I am trying. I am really trying to quit. Please help me. Don't leave me, please. I need you to help me.
Tyler, I think you should pick his call. I mean, we all need someone like him in our lives. He played a solid role on your part yesterday. Okay.
Hello? Hi Tyler, good morning. Dinner at your place? Um, mm, okay, sure, I'll be there. And Tyler, thanks for last night. I know I was really messed up, but thank you. Thank you for being there. Alright, bye.
I'm Dennis.
Oh, I'm Cam.
Welcome to our home.
Thank you. I would say you have a lovely place.
Thank you very much. Please sit. Huh?
Okay.
Sit.
Wow. Don't tell me you made all this.
Well, Salah is a very wonderful cook. I must tell you. He likes to cook a lot.
I can
Yes.
see.
Yeah. You're welcome.
What are we waiting for?
Please serve yourself, okay?
I can't wait to taste your food.
Yeah, just make yourself comfortable.
Let me help you.
Yeah.
I'm already famished.
Thank you so much for coming out.
You're welcome. I'm glad I did.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
I know you can wait.
I guess you guys must have been waiting for me.
Honestly.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Thank you.
Okay.
That's fine.
That's fine. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Are you sure the rice is enough for you?
Oh yes, it is.
I have more in the kitchen.
You know I don't eat too much. This should do. Okay. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's begin. This is really nice.
Yeah.
So, how did you guys meet?
Well, we met at DA meeting, and the first time I met him, he was very rude to me.
Well, that was because... it doesn't matter anyways.
Salah is
I
always
was just
angry.
not in the mood. You know, yeah.
Tiwa is never in the mood.
You know him very well.
I do know him.
Table manners. You don't talk while eating.
This food is really good. Sal, I never knew you could cook so well.
Welcome all once again. Here in Depression Anonymous, our healing process starts with listening and sharing. That's the only way we can destroy and say no to this demon called depression. We win it, we conquer it, and we just force it out of our heart, our life, as the case may be. Listening starts with you listening to others narrate their problems. You then get to know that you are not alone at all. We all have issues in life. And given the opportunity to swap your problem with maybe mine, you say, no, I'd rather remain where I am. You get to know that you are not alone. And that will propel you to now share your own pains, to assume that pain buried in words. That's when your healing process starts. Yes. At that point, you are at the verge of winning the battle against depression. Come. I think it's time you let go. Share with us. The moment you do that, you'll be better for it. Let go, my dear. Let go.
Come on, but you know you don't have to.
I have to. I want to. My name is Kambili. And as you all know, I am Cam too. Everyone calls me Cam. My life was as beautiful as life can be. I was privileged to have an amazing family. My husband and my son were my entire world. On that fateful day, we were heading back from a family outing. I was driving. My son was seated at the back seat. He was humming a song. It was strange. And my husband asked him, "Son, what are you humming?" And he said, "I don't know." So we shrugged it off and we continued our journey. I remember I was laughing so hard at what my husband had said to me that I didn't see the car coming. I didn't see it coming. And then it crashed into us and sent us off the highway. Our car somersaulted so many times that I could barely count. And my whole world ended that day. I saw her face, the girl that hit us, but it was brief. I passed out and went into coma. Somehow I survived. But my husband did not. And my baby, my baby, he was so young, he was so little. He was barely 2 years old and he died. And I asked myself, why did I deserve to live and my son died? No one deserves to go through what I went through. No mother wants to survive what killed her child. No mother. After several days, I woke up from coma. And then I realized the song my son was humming that day. It goes, even when the sun comes Even when the wind holds, even when I'm not breathing, I will always sing your praise. I played that song 2 days before the accident, and my baby boy picked it. He started humming that song from that moment. He was humming it until we crashed. I was angry. I was angry that my son was worshiping God. He was singing God praises. But yet he died. But now, I realized that my baby was singing to me. I realized that God was talking to me. That no matter what we go through, we should always praise Him.
There is no God. If there is God, your husband, your son, and my sister wouldn't have died. There is no God!
There is God. There is a higher power. This war did not just happen. Something or someone controls it all. It's been hard. I've tried so many times to kill myself. I have been addicted to sleeping pills, antidepressants, just to forget my pain and my sorrows, my loss. Believe me when I say I have seen pain. Pain so heart-wrenching that I can barely breathe. Truthfully, I don't know what the future holds. But I can barely see a future without my son or my husband.
It's okay.
That is your comforter.
Sorry about what happened to you, okay?
Thank you.
Nobody deserved to go through that. He went to hell and came back stronger.
I didn't survive. I still struggle daily. I am an addict for it.
You're a strong woman. You survived an accident that was meant to kill you. You went to hell and emerged stronger.
You know, sometimes I wish I died with them.
I wish I died with my sister too. Maybe if she didn't drive out that very day, all this wouldn't have happened. God.
Sorry about your loss. Truly sorry.
It's okay. It's alright. I'll get over it soon. Stop crying. Okay? I promise to be by your side. Through thick and thin. I promise you that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hey, Dennis, you're welcome.
Hi, Dennis. Welcome.
Hi.
He doesn't seem to like me.
Hey, probably he's in a bad mood. Okay, come on.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Well, at least he should have smiled.
Oh, yes, he should have. Come on. I'm here for you, all smiles. Like, I'm smiling for you and I'm smiling on his behalf.
You're very funny. What?
I want to tell you something. Excuse me. Second.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, I have to attend to an important call.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So, you said you wanted to tell me something.
Yes.
So?
You're so beautiful.
Is that the thing you wanted to tell me?
Yes.
I thought it was something serious. Thank you. So, let's continue.
Bro, what are you doing?
What do you mean by what am I doing?
You know, I was trying to remember where I had seen her before since the first time we met. I just realized she's the one. What are you doing, bro?
Dennis, I didn't plan for it this way.
This family went through hell because of her family.
We deserved it, didn't we?
No, you deserve it. It was all your fault, and all of us don't have to suffer for it.
I knew it. I know you have always wanted to say this to me. You think I do not know? Dennis, I didn't plan to fall in love with her, but I did.
You could have stayed away.
Dennis, the very first time I set my eyes on that girl at the DA meeting I was meeting, Dennis, I just found out she was the one recently.
And you chose to continue with the charade after you found out she's the one.
I was only trying to help. She seemed lost and so unhappy. I was only trying to lend a helping hand. In fact, I didn't know it will get to this.
Bro, you need to think about this thoroughly. You are supposed to be concerned about your health at this moment.
Must you always remind me about my health?
Are you good? Huh? Right. Are you? Relax. Sorry. Just calm down. Relax.
Nice to meet you too.
I'll be outside.
Hey, Tyler.
Hello,
Tyler.
how are you doing?
I'm okay.
You're looking great.
Thank you. You too. How are you?
Well, your friend has been keeping me going. Yes.
Okay. I can see that.
Okay, I just want to drive around with my brother.
Okay.
Yes.
All
I'll be
right.
back soon.
All right. See you when you get back.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, darling.
Alright,
Okay.
okay, bye now.